My name is Ali and I'm working for LoChlor Chemicals. I'm a general manager here and our company does the swimming pool manufacturing. All the chemical you need for the swimming pool, we do it, and it's here in Australia, Sydney based company, and we make it, pack it and send it from here in Sydney. As you know, with the manufacturing, it need to be a bill of material, we need to keep a track of the item, we need to keep a track of everything. With Myop, it was not happening. A lot of manual work, things were getting out of control and it was hard to handle. There were a lot of backorder situation. It was not happening, and that's the reason it prompted me. Back then I was operation manager, to search for a new solution, to search for a new program altogether. But the biggest problem we were facing is we wanted to stick with Myop and have something in place which can then solve all this issue. And that's how I came across WMS, and then I talked to Adam Weasley at Datapel. In terms of improvement, as I said to you before as well, is chalk and cheese. There is no comparison between what we used to be and what it is now. It's totally different. I mean, I can't even describe in a percentage. Before it was a 0, I can tell you now it's 90%. That's how difference is. It's a big, huge difference after implementing WMS. Nothing was in place. Because we never used to manage the proper inventory with Myop, there was no proper count of inventory. Things used to be run out, there were a lot of back order, a lot of issues with this. Once we implement the Datapel and then started doing the BOM, it has changed the way we run the business. We have now realized which stock we should keep more, which stock we should keep less. We have the average thing as well. So at least we know what we are doing, and we plan 3 months in advance. But of course, it's help from WMS, a lot of help. With the sales order management, the first thing, very nice thing we have noticed and we are using it is attachment. All the proof related to that order, we attach it to WMS. Okay, so we can go back anytime and just we have a proof there. Any scan copy, any emails, anything, it's there. Any note we need to put, for example, someone has called us and placed the order. Of course, there is no email or attachment to do, but then we put a note that so and so person has called on that time, and then we have took the order. Everything is there. Second thing which changed totally, which is special price schedule. We never used to do that, and everything was done in Excel. We had to remember things, a lot of mistakes. This is totally different. We don't even need to remember anything. It's all there, and we use a lot SPS, a lot. I can't even imagine our life without Datapel at the moment. To manage the business, to run the business smoothly, to fulfill all the orders on time, and to improve the business, to increase the business. If we don't have the Datapel, I don't know what would have done. I have no idea what would have done. Because with that, with the help of the Datapel, with the help of the inventory management, with the help of the BOM, with the help of the sales register, all the feature Datapel has to offer, we have achieved a new level. We, as a LoChlor Chemicals, are known in the industry for the best service provider. Though we have a best quality product, but our service is unparalleled. No one can provide the service the way we do it, and I can only tell you it's only because of the Datapel.